Did you know that those first 5 seconds of hesitation could be the reason you're not achieving your goals? It's true. Those 5 seconds can either lead you to take action or keep you stuck. Let me show you a simple trick that will push you into action and change your life forever. If you've ever struggled with making a move on something important, whether it's starting a task, speaking up, or even getting out of bed, you're not alone. I've been there, and so have many others. But here's the thing. There's a straightforward technique that can break this habit of hesitation. It's as easy as counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this video, I'll show you how this simple method can help you push past that resistance and transform your life. Point 1. Understanding why we hesitate. Let's start by understanding why we hesitate. Our minds are naturally wired to protect us from discomfort and uncertainty. So, when you think about doing something outside your comfort zone, your brain starts coming up with excuses. But here's the trick. By using a countdown, you're giving your brain a short, direct signal that it's time to act. It's like hitting a reset button before your mind talks you out of it. Counting down stops the overthinking process. It shifts your focus and gives you a moment to take control. It's not magic, it's just a way to break the habit of hesitation. Point 2. Putting the countdown into practice. Imagine this scenario. You need to make an important call, but you're feeling nervous. Instead of letting your nerves win, you take a breath and count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the time you reach 1, you've already moved into action. You've beaten the hesitation before it even had a chance. This approach works in all sorts of situations, starting your day early, beginning a workout, or taking that first step toward a new project. It's about pushing through that initial barrier before doubt sets in. Point 3. The misconception of feeling ready. Here's a common problem many people face: waiting until they feel ready. But the truth is, you'll rarely feel ready to make a big move. Waiting for the perfect moment often leads to missed opportunities. Instead of waiting, use the countdown to force yourself into action. You'll find that the momentum you need comes after you've started, not before. I used to delay taking action too, waiting for a sign or a feeling of readiness. But once I started using the countdown, I realized that taking the first step was all I needed to gain the momentum to keep going. Let me share a quick story. There was a time when I felt completely stuck, unable to make progress on anything important. Every day, I'd wake up with great intentions but end up procrastinating and feeling worse. One morning, I decided to try something different. Instead of waiting to feel motivated, I counted down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I got up and started my day. It sounds simple, but that small decision led to a big shift. It wasn't a miracle, it was just the momentum I needed. Let's go over the key points once more. Next time you're faced with hesitation, remember this. Don't wait for the right moment. Use the 5-second countdown. It's a simple yet powerful way to interrupt your hesitation, take control, and start building momentum. It's often the smallest actions that lead to the biggest changes. If this technique made sense to you and you're ready to give it a try, don't hesitate. Hit that subscribe button now. Join us for more practical, no-nonsense advice to help you take action every day. Remember, when in doubt, just count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go make your move.